Hi everyone, I am J. Kavineshri, a student of first year Computer Science Engineering in DSB College of Engineering Technical Campus, Coimbatore. My intention today, being a student of Computer Science Engineering, I am going to elaborate machine learning. If you expect me to define machine learning, I'll tell you in a simple way that it is a subset of artificial intelligence, a new technology that empowers the computer system to learn, adapt to data, and to make decisions based on patterns. Machine learning helps the cyber defendants to detect and respond to any computer systems. Cyber threats are becoming a very big challenge in the field of computers and they creep into our system in an unbelievable new methods. So machine learning plays a very important role in safeguarding digital devices. So machine learning plays a very important role in safeguarding digital devices and protect them against malware, analyze network traffic for suspicious activities and to improve authenticated mechanism. Machine learning plays a vital role in the field of healthcare to diagnose diseases, to predict patients' outcome, and drug discovery. In the financial world, it is used for the detection of fraudulent activities, a perfect trading, and an assessment of risk involved in business. It helps even in the field of marketing. Our computers are safer with our proficiency. Our computers are safer with our proficiency in machine learning. In short to say, machine learning increases our ability to identify known and unknown threats and respond to computers automatically. It also empowers the cybersecurity professionals to stay ahead of cyber criminals. With the knowledge of machine learning, business will become much more safe and secure in the ever-change in this digital world. What I have done now is only an introduction. As a computer science engineer, we'll learn more and lot more. Thank you.